I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need admin rights and a recent backup. Make sure important files are saved. Once ready, open the antivirus via the system tray icon or Settings Apps Installed Apps. Click the product name to view controls. You will see Shields, Real-Time Protection, and Update Settings. Start by pausing Real-Time Protection or selecting Temporarily Disable. This stops active scanning immediately. Make sure to disconnect from public networks or pause Cloud Sync. That limits risk until the antivirus is fully managed. Now, dive into the core protection toggles. Turn off real-time protection first, since that immediately prevents automatic blocking. Next, disable background scanning and scheduled scans so the service does not restart checks on its own. If the antivirus includes a firewall, only disable it if you have another firewall or are on a trusted private network. Otherwise, leave it. Also, pause automatic updates to prevent the app from reinstalling signatures. Make sure you note the change and set a reminder. Finish by confirming the service is off in the app dashboard and on Windows in Windows Security or the system tray. If the toggle reverts, open services. MSC, locate the antivirus service, stop it, and set startup to manual. Only do this with admin rights. If settings won't persist, restart the PC and recheck. As a troubleshooting tip, if the program blocks changes, boot to safe mode to alter settings or temporarily uninstall, then reinstall the antivirus when finished.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.